Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today is a clean with me. It is Saturday morning. I woke up with a really bad headache, but I have things that I need to do before I get moving and head to my parents' house. So before I start cleaning, I'm just going to show you around. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what the house looks like before I get started. So let's go ahead and look at the disaster that is the upstairs. All right, we're starting in the office. So this is what it looks like right now. This is where I film. My little kitchen area. Daisy tore up a toy. There's stuffing everywhere. There's Luna. There's Simba. There's Squeaky Pie. And this is the toy that got destroyed. So I've got laundry to put away. Oh, there's Daisy and there's Tink. So lots of stuffing to be put away. And I've already cleaned out litter boxes, but I do need to wipe this off and wipe down the legs of the table. Cleaning ladies just came on Wednesday, if you can believe it. So this is what we're looking like. Of course, Daisy gets herself all up in the pillow, so that's destroyed. Here's Tink. Hello, my love. There's toys everywhere. The bathroom just needs to be picked up. It's not terrible. Hello. Here's my bedroom. Of course, the bed is not made. We got Marbs in my bed. So not terrible, but still needs to be picked up. There's Oreo. I don't know if you guys can see her down there. I've got every single animal up here in my area. The bed needs to be made, and as I opened up the door to see what it looked like, I don't know if Daisy did that or a cat, but that's got to be cleaned up. It's my yoga mat. Probably need to put that away. That's a yoga foam, you know, for like when you get down on your knees and stuff, so it doesn't hurt so bad, but pretty much destroyed. Anyway, this bedroom over here, nothing, no one's been in here. It still has lines from vacuuming. Daisy, get out. No. So there's really nothing to do in here. So this is what I'm starting with. It's a hot mess. So let me go ahead and get cleaning, and hopefully you guys find this motivating, and maybe it motivates you to get up and clean up a little bit as well. I am sweaty. I got a lot done. I mean, I really just picked up a little bit and vacuumed, but that's the benefit of having cleaning ladies, because in theory, they should be doing all like the really deep cleaning, you know, the tubs, the toilets, and that kind of things, all the wiping down. And all I have to do on the weekends is vacuum and pick up a little bit. So let me turn you around and show you how everything turned out. Okay, here is my living room. So I vacuumed all the furniture, cleaned up the cords over there in the corner, and I've got to vacuum furniture because of so many fur babies. So I vacuumed. There really wasn't anything to do. You know, like I said, no wiping down of any furniture, just vacuuming mainly. But the bathroom really doesn't need anything done, so I didn't even come in here, which is fine. I mean, the cleaning ladies, like I said, they were here. They've already cleaned everything up, so there's nothing to do in there, and the floors are good. Probably need to sweep a little bit over where the food is, but I'm running out of steam. Okay, here is my bedroom. So I made my bed and I vacuumed. Found one of Daisy's little diapers in the bed. She wiggles out of them at night. So I probably need some blackout curtains. This is just like a bed spread that I threw up there to block out the sun for when my grandbaby comes. I wake up before the sun comes up, so it doesn't bother me. So, all right, here we go. Let's go into the spare bedroom. Now, I didn't make the bed. I don't know where the sheets are. So this will have to be for another day. But nobody's going to be in here for a while, so I'm not really too terribly worried about it. I guess it could be turning lights off as we do the walk around. I put back the divider where the litter boxes is. Little box, hang on, let me reform that sentence. Where the litter boxes are. Nobody's used them yet. I keep puppy pads down for Daisy in case she wiggles out of her diaper and she's got to go potty at night. She will go on the pee-pee pads. So I think I might, as I was doing that, I thought maybe I should put like a pee-pee pad in between the litter boxes, or maybe get one of those things, you know, that like traps the litter when they jump out so that it's not so bad on there. But, so this is what it looked like. I did put that table back, but I need to put the cord by. It looks much, much better. And here's my office. I just used the compressed air to blow all of the hair off of my desk and equipment, so didn't really need a whole lot, but vacuumed in here. There's Miss Oreo. So everything turned out pretty good. I don't know how long it took me. It was, you know, maybe 40 minutes or so. Not too bad. Anyway, that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this Clean With Me video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. And Oreo does too. All right, bye, guys.